Hello and welcome to your training. So today we are talking about the ultimate checklist of must-know math topics on the ACT exam and secrets to attack the ACT math test. Now we talked about this a little bit in the past. I did a training on this before, and I did go into detail about those topics, but now it is a complete resource all in one place that you can have and kind of go through and make sure that your child knows all of these math topics. So right now, I'm actually inside of the resource. This is called a one-pager. And you'll see you can download the checklist by clicking here, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. But for now, you can see the secrets that I am revealing in this checklist. And if you have followed me before, then you know a little bit about this. The step 3 of my 3-step system, which is to attack the test, sharpen your fangs. And guys, fangs is an acronym meaning functions, algebra, numbers and quantity, geometry, and statistics. And I do train on this often, but in this resource, you're actually going to know the exact things your child must know under each branch of mathematics in order to score in the top 30s on the ACT exam. So let's just dive right in. Secret number 1, functions account for 12 to 15% of the ACT math test. Okay, 12 to 15%. And you're going to know exactly what types of function questions your child will see and how many questions out of the 60 will be geared towards functions. Okay. Secret number 2, algebra makes up 12 to 15% of the ACT math test. 12 to 15% as well. So algebra and functions right there together in terms of how important they are, that your child knows it to be super prepared for that test. And again, I'm going to show you in just a moment exactly what topics in functions, what topics in algebra your child needs to know to score 33 and higher on the ACT math test. Secret 3, 7 to 10% of the test deals with numbers and quantity. So a little bit less, but still very much important, numbers and quantity, and exactly what that means for your child. Secret 4, geometry is also 12 to 15% of the test. And geometry does include trig, knowing those trigonometric ratios and the unit circle. All of that very important, takes up 12 to 15% of the test. And finally, secret 5, statistics and probability, 8 to 12%. And your child needs to know that in those different topics like mean, median, mode, probability, combinations, permutations, analyzing data. So those are important things also for the ACT math test. So those are the 5 secrets kind of just here on the one pager for you. Like I said, you can get the actual download of it here, which I'm going to show you what that looks like and how it details specifically what your child needs to know in each of the 5 areas. Plus there's a bonus secret bonus bit of information for you, okay? So when you go to the actual resource here that you can download, you're gonna get the complete list of what your child needs to know to get that coveted 33 and higher. So this is exactly what the ACT lays out for you that your child needs to know in each branch in order to score in that high score range and qualify for scholarships and be admitted into the college of their dreams. They can go to their first choice school scoring a 33 or a 30 or higher, and this is what it takes. Now, of course, there are more math topics than this, but this is what will get you in that top tier score. And if you know all of these things, then we can kind of assume that you know the prerequisite knowledge, okay? But don't worry, I am going to also provide you with the complete total list of everything, not just what you need to know to score in the 33 and higher bracket. And just so you know, that complete list with everything in it, it also breaks it down by score band. So you'll see exactly, hey, if I know all of these topics, where I can expect to score. Right, but you can see functions will be 7 to 9 questions, and here are the topics your child needs to know to score super high. Then for algebra, these are the topics they need to know to score very well. Numbers and quantity here, geometry, and then you have the statistics and probability down at the bottom. Okay, so that is your complete list. And a bonus secret, integrating essential skills makes up 40 to 43% of the ACT exam, right? So that is huge. That means your child can expect a whopping 24 to 26 of the questions on the math test to really cover topics from 6th through 8th grade math classes. Okay, and so some of those topics are going to be ratio, percentages, proportional relationships, area, volume, that kind of thing. So they really want to brush up on those skills to get those 24 to 26 questions correct, and to get them correct fast, right? Because it is a timed test. All right, so what you have here is the complete list of every single math standard broken down for every score. Just click this button inside of your resource and it will give you everything for every score band. So not just the 33 through 36 score band, which is what I have here. So this is for those top scores, but all you need to do is click the button there to get the complete list. It will open it up, official from the ACT, and it will break down what your child needs to know in every category, every FANG, FANGS, for every score band, okay? So I hope you guys find this resource useful and beneficial for you and your child as you complete your studies for the ACT. If you love the secrets, you can definitely check out the ACT Bootcamp. It's coming up in April next week. And then another one begins in May. So if you need some assistance mastering the secrets and mastering all those topics, then definitely check out the ACT Bootcamp. And here are some more bonus resources for you. You can look at another training on the math topics on the ACT and a formula for raising your child's ACT math score by 5 points or higher. So if you don't have the link to this resource yet, what are you waiting for? Just let me know in the comments and I'll get this link for you. If you have it already, guys, check this out, get the information. Know everything that your child needs to know. This is the ultimate, like, complete checklist, everything that your child needs to know. So like I said, we talked about it before, but here is the resource all together for you in one place so that you can develop a plan, a study plan, and your child can go through and master these topics so they can really ace their ACT, right? If you have any questions at all, please comment below, or you can send me a direct message. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have or help you develop a plan based on your child's strengths and challenges in these different math areas. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.